video on how to prepare for GATE and UGC NET examinations. As you can see, this is the syllabus of GATE Computer Science and Information Technology. I will zoom it. So the first thing is engineering mathematics. This will come for 15% marks in GATE exam, but on the other hand, maths will be of less than 5 to 10% marks in UGC NET exam. See, discrete structures and optimization. Then comes the computer science, digital logic, Boolean algebra, combination and sequential circuits, minimization, number representations, and computer arithmetic, fixed and floating point. Computer architecture and organization. This is totally same in GATE and UGC NET exam. So as you can see over here, I'll show it to you. Computer system architecture from the Morris Menu book. This complete syllabus, digital logic, which is same in the GATE syllabus also. This is the index of the Morris Menu book. The complete Morris Menu book index was copied from here. Then comes programming language and computer graphics in UGC NET. As you can see, I have taken this from the website of UGC, official website of UGC. Programming language and computer graphics. So programming in C, elementary data types, this will not come in GATE exam. Programming languages, concepts, paradigms and models, programming environments, virtual computers and branding timers, programming language syntax, stages is translation and formal transition models. This will not come in GATE exam. C language is there in GATE exam. Data structures in C is there in GATE exam also. Object oriented programming is not there in GATE exam, but there will be 2 or 3 questions from C, 2 or 3 questions from C++, 2 or 3 questions from Java each. And after that, web programming, this will be of 1 mark in GATE exam. Computer graphics, this will not come in GATE exam, okay, but in UGC NET exam there will be 1 question from this topic. Then comes 2D geometrical transformations and viewing. This will not come in UGC NET or GATE exam. It is written in the syllabus of UGC NET exam, but they will not ask questions from this side. Database management system, highly crucial subject for GATE and UGC NET. This will come for 10 marks both sides, 10%, 10%. On the other hand, big data is not there in GATE exam syllabus. System software and operating system, this is there in GATE and UGC NET exam both. Operating system will come for 10% marks both in GATE and UGC NET exam. So software engineering will come for 10% marks in UGC NET exam, but it is not there in GATE exam. Data structures and algorithms is there in UGC NET exam for 10% marks. In GATE exam it will be for 15% marks. Theory of computation and compilers, automata, this will be for 10% marks in UGC NET exam and 10 to 15% marks in GATE exam. Data communication and computer networks, highly important subject. This will be there for 10% marks in GATE exam and 10 to 12% marks in UGC NET exam. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Artificial intelligence will not be asked in GATE exam. So I am comparing UGC and GATE exam syllabus for computer science. So if you want to crack both the exams with the similar kind of syllabus, so topics which you should focus on, I'll tell you the common topics which you should study for both GATE and UGC NET exams if you want to crack both GATE and UGC NET exam. The first one is you should study networking, which is there for 10% marks in GATE and UGC NET both ways. Then you should study DBMS, database management system. Then you should study data structures. Then you should study operating systems. Number 5 comes the compiler design and automata and computer architecture. Okay, so that's all. Thanks a lot for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.